the strongest substance in the universe struck the continent of Africa, affecting the plant life around it. And when the time of men came, 5 tribes settled on it and called it Wakanda.
Rise in Excellence, this is Jaja MJ with the Renpet Phenomenon. Today I'm at my space of, I don't call it work, I call it experimentation, because I'm doing massage techniques to see if I can better the flow not only of energy in the body, but the flow of muscular behavior. So I call it my lab, my experimentation place. I'm not experimenting like on some wicked evil scientist, you know. I'm not trying to control life. All I want to do is be within life and help facilitate better movement in life. So that's why I'm here. So when I say experiment, don't get it twisted. It's not a Frankenstein thing. But today I want to talk about a subject that someone brought up a while back when they saw Black Panther, and they said, well, how the hell can a meteorite solve all black issues? Something from space coming into our world, solve all of our issues. Well, if you look at African, I don't want to say lore, I don't want to say myth, because that is not our thing. If you look at African history, okay, this is our ancestral information, you will see that there's been numerous occasions of energy coming from the outside to our planet and causing a change. And if you really look at what's happening in those first few moments of Black Panther, that's African lineage, that's African ancestral information. Ra spat forth Shu and Tefnu, and then from Shu and Tefnu came all these other beings, different aquatic beings. Sounds familiar? Well, in this case, you have a meteorite, right? Which was probably broken off from an asteroid, right? So this is cosmic energy coming in, and then it strikes Earth, right? Strikes directly the continent of Africa, right? Then it goes into the soil, right? Sounds familiar? Goes into the soil, changes the structure of the soil, then changes the plant life, then changes the animal life. And during this time, this is when we were evolving from the seas and coming onto land. So we came onto land into that area, and melanin doing what melanin does, or what chem does, soaks up all light and sound, right? And what does vibranium work with? Sound. And it also works with light. They don't really discuss that. Sound and light are kind of hand in hand. They're just different expressions of vibrations and energy. So you have all this happening, and then you have the Wakandans growing from out this land and sucking up that energy into their body, and they're living generation by generation by generation by generation. And this energy is not only in their clothing, as they say in the movie, it's actually in their body, because they are in the same place that this energy is imbued into the ground. So that's my answer. That's how it works. Something from the outside coming in, right? A meteorite striking the earth is the same way as a sperm cell striking the ovum, right? Or the nervous system reacting, you know, the synapses, right? Jumping gaps, jumping fields, striking each other, causing a change. So, you know, next time you see Black Panther, think about that. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, as well as hit the bells, hit the subscribe.